Purple Mash has been transformational in terms of our computing curriculum. Looking at St Joseph's, we went out to look at what our curriculum requirements would be for the whole trust. And a key priority for us was to establish a trust-wide curriculum in all areas that is highly ambitious, that's designed and sequenced really, really well so that our children and young people have the best possible chance of success. What the Purple Mash programme allows them to do is to deliver that high quality content with confidence, because there's a huge amount of guidance there. It's very easy for teachers to follow that programme and to become more fluent within that curriculum and in that disciplinary pedagogy around computing.
To ensure effective use of Purple Mash in our academies, we have provided comprehensive professional development opportunities for the teachers, because we understand that appropriate training and ongoing support are crucial for teachers to maximise the benefits of this platform.
The investment in curriculum was a really important decision for the board. If we don't give the children a high quality curriculum, it doesn't matter how good our teaching is, we're not giving them the right diet. The board are fully behind this, and it is a significant investment. However, that investment is in the most important area of our work.
Since we implemented Purple Mash in all of our academies, we've witnessed numerous positive outcomes that have greatly enhanced the educational experiences for all of our pupils.
So since Purple Mash has been implemented, the teachers are telling us that the children are enjoying computing more, and the teachers are enjoying teaching it more, and our monitoring is telling us that it's a subject area that is performing well now in the trust, and we wouldn't have said that 12 months ago.
So the interactive nature of Purple Mash has helped reinforce key concepts, leading to improved retention of key knowledge and skills for the computing curriculum.
The relationship with 2Simple has been a genuine partnership. I feel that we're working in collaboration both at trust level and at classroom teacher level.
Well, I always know if there's a problem at any of the sites, at any of the academies, with any of the software, if teachers are having trouble, I know I can get in touch with Katie and she resolves it.
It's about that relationship, that they know that we are really looking after them, and we do. It's important to us. We're not just product, we're people too.